Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about shedding pounds fast, not starving yourself, not doing crazy detoxes, but eating real delicious food that melts fat, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health and fitness videos every week. Now let's dive into the top 10 best foods to eat to lose weight fast. Number 10. Eggs, the protein. Powerhouse eggs are nature's protein bombs. They're rich, filling, and keep your metabolism fired up for hours. Studies show eating eggs for breakfast can help you eat fewer calories throughout the day. Plus, they're packed with essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline, a secret weapon for burning belly fat. Number 9. Oats, the clean carb. Forget sugary cereals. Oats are full of fiber that keeps you full and stabilizes your blood sugar. When your sugar levels are steady, your body burns fat instead of storing it. For a fat-burning breakfast, add some berries and a spoon of Greek yogurt. Perfect combo. Number 8. Avocados, the good fat fruit. Yes, fat helps you lose fat, when it's the right kind. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats that crush cravings and support healthy hormone balance. They also help absorb nutrients from other foods. A few slices in your salad or on toast go a long way. Number 7. Salmon, the metabolism booster. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and protein, salmon not only curbs appetite but also reduces inflammation, a hidden cause of weight gain. Eating salmon twice a week can increase fat metabolism and improve heart health at the same time. Number 6. Leafy greens, the volume eaters. Spinach, kale, and lettuce are low in calories but high in fiber, so you can fill your plate without the guilt. These greens also flood your body with vitamins and antioxidants that keep you feeling light and energized while trimming inches off your waistline. Number 5. Greek yogurt, the gut healer. Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics, the good bacteria that help your gut process food more efficiently. A healthy gut equals better digestion and fat burning. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and top it with fruit for a satisfying snack that aids weight loss. Number 4. Berries, the sweet fat fighters. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're sweet but low in calories. Berries are rich in antioxidants that help regulate your metabolism and prevent fat storage. They're a perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your progress. Number 3. Green tea, the liquid fat burner. Green tea contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that boost your metabolism and help your body burn more fat, even at rest. Swap your morning coffee for green tea, and you'll notice the difference in your energy and waistline. Number 2. Chicken breast, the lean protein machine. Protein is key to burning fat, and chicken breast is one of the leanest, most versatile sources out there. It helps build muscle, which in turn burns more calories even when you're sitting still. Grill it, bake it, or toss it in salads. Just skip the fried stuff. Number 1. Water, the ultimate weight loss hack. Yes, the simplest thing can be the most powerful. Drinking water before meals helps curb hunger and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Sometimes your body confuses thirst with hunger, so drink up. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and you'll see results fast. There you have it. The top 10 best foods to eat to lose weight fast. Remember, it's not about starving yourself. It's about fueling your body with the right foods that make fat loss natural and sustainable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips every week. Drop a comment below with your favorite fat-burning food, and we might feature it in our next video. Until next time, eat smart, stay strong, and keep crushing those goals.